Hi friends, what's up? I think you will be fine at your home. My name is Hassan Nasir and I have completed my graduation from University of Lahore. Today our topic is about health insurance and it is very important in our daily life. For example, when you are ill and you will and will your treatment will be provided from the health insurance company, and it is totally free for the USA citizens. And let's start our video. I have searched some specific keyword on Google health insurance in USA, and Google shows the following result. In 2020, the average national cost for health insurance is 456 USD dollar for an individual. Let's see what is individual. Individuals means a single person, and a USA government provides more than 456 USD dollar for a single person health insurance per month, because 460 more, because it is the stat 2020 and now 2021, and the health insurance will be increased. And you can see for the family you can go 1052 USD dollar for family. And the second question is, what are the three types of US health insurance? Health Maintenance Organization, HMOS, sorry, exclusive provider organization. And the next is point of service, POS plan. And number 4 is preferred provider organization. I cannot provide more explanation in this video because this is not our topic. I will make another video on this topic, and today our topic is about health insurance and the best company for health insurance. There are the lots of the platforms, and one of the best is eHealth Insurance, and I have opened in this page, and I will provide this page link in the description. You can see from there. You can see the page is opening. It is not best. I will search eHealth. You can see Google shows the result, and I am on the home page of this website. Here we can see other insurance option: individual, family, short term, dental, vision, small business. You can provide all of this health insurance for your family, for individual person, for short term, for small business, etc. You can see learn, compare or enroll, 3 steps how you can get health insurance. And next, our customer are talking, find medical care plan on your need. You can choose your plan according to your taste. For example, let's see here for your zip and see medical plan in your area. For example, I do not know what is my zip code, and I search in the Google California zip code 90011, and here we can enter this, and I will search, and here searching I will face this problem due to bad connection, internet connection. Let's see, the page has opened. Here we can see 2022 plan monthly premium. We can pay 0 USD. Humana, we can read this plan, doctor coverage, as your doctor see. If you want this plan, you have to complete this plan. For example, if you will enter your city doctor name here, your medicine name here, and you will activate this plan. If you can see another plan, you can compare this plan with another plan. You can add both plan and make comparison and choose your plan, which thing you are the best for this plan, which plan is best for you. Here you can go lots of the options for this plan. I will click there and go to back on the home, and let's see about this website. Is it real or not? Is it best or not? There are the many questions in the mind, what I can do. Finally, we can see, let's scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We can see e-health medical. E-health is electronic health. Electronic means it is secure system, and it is, you can access this website through internet easily. Here we can see products, Medicare insurance plan, Medicare Advantage, Medicare supplement plan, Medicare Part D, Medicare Part C, Medicare Part B, new to Medicare block, frequently asked, apply for Medicare, Medicare by state, what is Medicare, resources, company, carrier, licensing. You can see also licensing here, terms of use, set map. It is 100% secure medicine health insurance website, and you can trust on this website. Guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. This is part 1 on health insurance, and I will make part 2 because this video become very lengthy, and then I will decide to divide this video into 2 parts. Thanks for watching. Okay, Allah Hafiz.